Effortless is a follow-up to Greg McKeown's first book, Essentialism. While Essentialism teaches us to focus on what truly matters, Effortless explains how to make those important tasks easier to do. The core idea is, instead of trying harder and burning out, we can find smarter ways to make work and life more manageable. It's about achieving better results with less stress by shifting from a mindset of life is hard to what if it could be easy? The book is divided into 3 main sections: Effortless State, how to clear your mind; Effortless Action, how to take easy, sustainable steps; and Effortless Results, how to create systems that deliver results over time without much effort. 1. Achieve more by doing less. McKeown emphasizes that instead of pushing ourselves harder, we should focus only on what really matters and eliminate the rest. Trying to do everything leads to burnout, but doing less of the right things leads to more success. Example 1. A manager spends hours each week micromanaging reports. By delegating reporting to a trusted employee and only reviewing summaries, they reduce effort and still stay informed. Example 2. A student tries to study every subject every day and burns out. Instead, they focus on the 20% of topics that matter most for the exam and score higher with less stress. 2. Clear the mental clutter. To enter an effortless state, our minds need to be calm and focused. Worry, overthinking, and distractions make things harder. Clearing mental clutter means letting go of guilt, perfectionism, and fear so we can approach tasks with a clear mind. Example 1. Instead of stressing over writing the perfect email, a professional decides to write a clear, simple version in 5 minutes, reducing anxiety and saving time. Example 2. A parent overwhelmed with chores writes everything down, prioritizes only what needs to be done today, and feels instantly more in control and less stressed. 3. Invert the problem. Rather than asking, "How can I work harder to solve this?" ask, "How can this be made easier?" Inverting problems helps us find simpler, smarter solutions. Example 1. A software team struggles with bugs. Instead of adding more testing, they simplify the code base, making it easier to manage and reducing bugs. Example 2. A person hates cooking every night. Instead of forcing themselves to do it daily, they cook in bulk on Sundays and reheat during the week. 4. Start with easy wins. Starting with something simple creates momentum. When we begin with what's effortless, we're more likely to continue and complete the task. Example 1. Someone wants to start exercising but feels overwhelmed. Instead of a full workout, they begin with 5-minute daily walks and build up from there. Example 2. A writer faces writer's block. Instead of writing a chapter, they aim to write just 1 sentence. That small win often leads to more writing. 5. Make it enjoyable. We're more likely to continue something when it's enjoyable. Find ways to bring joy, humor, or curiosity into the process, not just the result. Example 1. A team adds music and themed meetings to a boring project, making collaboration more fun and boosting productivity. Example 2. A person hates doing taxes, so they pair it with their favorite snacks and music, turning it into a more pleasant experience. 6. Define done. Clearly knowing what done looks like helps us avoid perfectionism and overthinking. Set a clear endpoint so you don't spend unnecessary energy polishing endlessly. Example 1. A designer keeps tweaking a logo for weeks. When they define that done means 3 client-approved drafts, they stop over-editing. Example 2. A teacher grading essays sets a rule. Spend no more than 10 minutes per paper and look for 3 key things. This makes grading faster and more consistent. 7. Use checklists and automation. Systems reduce the need for mental effort. A good checklist or automated process can prevent mistakes and save energy. Example 1. A pilot uses a pre-flight checklist not because they don't know what to do, but because it ensures nothing is forgotten, reducing stress and errors. Example 2. A freelancer automates client onboarding with email templates and scheduling tools, saving hours every week. 8. Learn the art of letting go. Holding on to anger, shame, or unnecessary responsibilities makes life harder. Letting go frees up emotional and mental energy. Example 1. A person constantly argues with a coworker. When they stop engaging and focus on their own work, their stress drops dramatically. Example 2. A volunteer takes on too many duties out of guilt. When they step back from less important tasks, they feel relief and have more impact where it counts. 9. Simplify the steps. Break complex tasks into smaller, clearer steps. Simplicity reduces friction and makes it easier to get started. Example 1. A team reworks a confusing training manual into a simple 3-step guide, making onboarding faster for new employees. Example 2. A person procrastinating on organizing their closet breaks it into zones. Shoes one day, shirts the next, making the job manageable. 10. Create systems that work for you. When you set up repeatable systems, you get consistent results without having to rethink everything every time. Example 1. A teacher sets a weekly planning routine every Sunday. It becomes automatic, saving time and reducing stress each week. Example 2. A content creator batches their work, filming 5 videos in one day and scheduling them, freeing up the rest of the week. 11. Trust the process. Focus on taking the next right step instead of trying to control the entire outcome. Let go of trying to force results and trust that small, consistent actions lead to progress. Example 1. A startup founder stresses over hitting a huge revenue goal. Instead, they focus on making 1 sale a day, and the results grow steadily. Example 2. A language learner worries about fluency. They focus on 15 minutes of daily practice, and over time, fluency naturally builds. 12. Teach others to do what you do. Transferring knowledge and empowering others reduces your own burden and allows results to continue without your direct involvement. Example 1. A business owner trains an assistant to manage customer service. This frees up time to focus on growth. Example 2. A parent teaches their child to do laundry and simple chores, reducing daily workload and building independence. In summary, Effortless shows that the path to success doesn't always have to be hard. By focusing on what matters, simplifying steps, enjoying the process, and building smart systems, we can achieve better results with less struggle. The key lesson from Effortless is that success doesn't have to come from exhaustion, overthinking, or constant struggle. We've been conditioned to believe that harder means better, but McKeown teaches us that the smarter path is often the simpler one. When we remove unnecessary complexity, clear mental clutter, and focus on doing only what truly matters in the easiest possible way, we not only get better results, we also protect our energy, time, and well-being. We learn that it's okay to rest, to enjoy the process, and to create systems that make life easier. Instead of forcing everything through willpower, we can build momentum with small wins, reduce friction, and trust that consistent, simple actions will take us further than burnout ever could. In short, Effortless reminds us that life is not meant to be an endless grind. It's meant to be meaningful, manageable, and even enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more video like this.